The part 1 po ng ating pong orientation, ito po yung GK guidelines po natin. Na ito po yung guidelines po natin for this year. So may I request and yours truly po ang mag-discuss po, Shereen Lucas Sombrepeno from DPS DCD. May I request my participants po to actively listen po dito para at least ito po yung ating pong pinaka tawag dito. Ito yung pinaka legal basis po natin for this one. Okay, I think sige po. One moment lang po, sir, ma'am ha. One moment lang po, inaayos lang po yung presentation po. Okay. Sige po, yung first slide po muna tayo. Okay. So may I see thumbs up po kung clear po yung naka-flash po sa screen? Ang nakalagay po dito is, okay, thank you for the thumbs up po, sir, ma'am. So this is po yung ating pong Gawad Kalasag Seal and Excellence in Disaster Risk Reduction Management and Humanitarian Assistance Guidelines, calendar year 2025-2026. Baka po kayo ay nagkakaroon po ng side comment na bakit 2025-2026. This is a clear information kung ano po ba yung guidelines natin last year at ano po yung guidelines ngayon at ano po ba yung mga changes po dito. So there is a comparison para at least you can have a clear picture kung ano po ba yung mga changes po doon sa guidelines na ginamit po last year and for this year. Next slide po. And as much as we wanted to flash po yung content po ng ating pong pinaka-memorandum po dito, but this is a simplified version. Now, we have this related memoranda na everything na ginagawa po natin about GK ay meron po tayo corresponding legal basis. So sa inyo pong left side, ito po yung bago nating GK guidelines. This is an OCD Memorandum number 763 series of 2026 dated 02 June 2026 and duly signed by the Civil Defense Administrator po, Yusek Harold Cabreros. And for the memorandum po for last year na ginamit po natin, this is a NDRRMC Memorandum Circular Number 03, Series of 2025, dated 11 April 2025. Ito po ay sign po ng ating pong previous administrator, Yusek Ariel Nepomuceno, as the Executive Director of NDRMC and the Administrator po ng Office of Civil Defense. And ito po yung nagpapatunay na lahat ng ginagawa po natin ay meron po tayong legal basis when it comes to implementation of Gawad Kalasag. Next slide, please. Ang outline po ng aking po presentation as shown po sa slide, background, the categories of awards and incentives, the application and selection process, members of selection committee, the Gawad Kalasag Regional Recognition Ceremony, utilization of local Dream CEO assessment results, and the timeline of activities. So ito po yung pinaka-outline po ng aking presentation. Next slide. First is the background itself. So, as shown po sa slide po natin, okay, so as mentioned naman po dito, the Gawad Kalasag Seal and Special Awards for Excellent in DRM and Humanitarian Assistance is the country's premier recognition program for various stakeholders who implement and promote shows honors, extraordinary courage, sacrifices, and heroism shown by individuals, groups, or institutions before, during, and after emergency situation resulting from the natural or human-induced hazard. Next, partly ito din po yung specific background po natin. In year 1998 po, matagal-tagal na rin po itong recognition ng Gawad Kalasag. So Gawad Kalasag stands for kalamidad at sakuna, labanan, sariling galing ang kaligtasan. So yan po yung ating pong meaning ng abbreviation po ng Kalasag. And in year 2020, Gawad Kalasag Seal Gawad Kalasag Seal and Special Awards for Excellence in Disaster Risk Reduction and Management and Humanitarian Assistance, no? And mostly, nagkaroon din po ng evolution in year 2023, the full implementation of Gawad Kalasag Seal for Excellence in Disaster Risk Reduction Management and Humanitarian Assistance, GK Seal. So ito po yung pinaka-evolution po ng ating pong Gawad Kalasag. Next po. Next topic po is all about the categories of awards and incentives. As shown po sa slide po natin, ito po yung comparison po para at least hindi din po tayo ma-mislead po sa ating pong guidelines po. Kung mapapasin nyo po, previously po yung NDRMC Memo number 3, Series of 2025, ano po tayo, categories po tayo. Yung una, GK Seal for Local Dream Councils and Offices. And also, meron din po tayong GK Special Awards, as mentioned po sa ating pong screen. But because of the new OCD Memo number 763, this is pertaining exclusively for the Gawad Kalasag Seal for Local Dream Councils and Offices in all provinces, cities, and municipalities within the country. But on the concept po, Sir Ma'am, ng special awards, meron po doon naka-indicate po sa ating memo that the Gawad Kalasag Special Awards for other categories are temporarily suspended pending issuance of a supplemental policy guidelines. In a nutshell, tayo lang po ay concentrate lamang po sa GK Seal for Local Dream Councils and Offices po for this year. Yung special award, temporarily suspended until such time na magkakaroon po ng issuance po ng supplemental policy guidelines. Next slide po. Okay. So, doon muna po tayo sa left side po, right side po, para makita nyo po yung pagbabago ho. Sa previous memo po natin, regarding po sa ating pong GK Seal for Local Dream CO, meron po tayong mga plaque of recognition. Ito po yung mga categories po natin ng beyond compliant, fully compliant, and there is also a corresponding top 1 LGU per classification at meron din po itong cash incentives. Plus, dahil nga meron tayong special award po last year, meron po tayong binibigyan din po ng recognition po through provision of plaques with cash incentives. Yan po yung ating pong previous memo. But because of this new memo for this year, nagkaroon po tayo ng pagbabago ho dito, no? Ang gagamitin na lang po natin na for the recognition is for gold recognition, meron din pong silver recognition, and bronze recognition na ipiprovide po natin yung true plaques po ito. Hindi na po natin gagamitin po yung category po ng beyond and fully compliant. Ito na po yung gagamitin natin for this year. Gold silver, and bronze recognition. And also, as part of my presentation po, dito sa lower portion po, in the left side, all entries that pass the GK minimum requirements ay makaka-receive din po ng certificate of recognition. So ito po yung malaking pagbabago po, Sir Ma'am, sa mga ginamit po nating memorandum po last year at sa gagamitin po natin for this year. Okay? Next po. Part din po dito, ito po yung adjectival ratings po natin na ginagamit din po natin. For beyond compliant, may ratings po ng 2.50 and beyond, and fully compliant ratings of 1.50 to 2.49. But dito po sa gagamitin for this tier, ang gold recognition, ang ratings po natin is 2.50 and beyond. For silver recognition, ratings of 2.2 to 2.49. And for the bronze recognition, ratings of 1.50 to 1.99. So ito po yung adjectival ratings po na naka-stipulate po sa bawat recognition na matatanggap, or ito po yung magiging ratings po, yung mga ating pong entries po for the local dream CO po. Next po. At as part of this topic po, this is my topic, third topic is the application and selection process. Okay, so kung makikita po natin, very important po na mostly meron po tayong application and selection process both in ang ating pong previously na memo at yung ating pong new memo. We need to focus ourselves po, ladies and gentlemen po, dito po sa ating pong bagong memo na gagamitin po for this year. So right now, ang ginagawa ho natin, it is a GK Guidelines Assessment Tool Orientation po. Ito po yung ginagawa po namin, kami po from the national orientation po sa ating pong mga GK focal person and our corresponding Regional Validation Selections Committee. Ito po yung nagaganap po right now. And also, meron din po tayong self-assessment of the local government units. Next is the local Dream CO category regional evaluation composed of the following. Pagkandak po ng desk evaluation, field validation, and deliberation. And also, meron din pong step po for the endorsement of result to the National GK Secretariat, at magaganap din po, ladies and gentlemen po, ang inyong pong regional recognition ceremony. So ito po ay very important na maibahagi po namin sa inyo para at least meron pa kayong information, clear understanding kung ano po ba yung mga process regarding on this activity po natin. Okay? Next po. For the local Dream CO, local Dream O minimum requirements, wala naman po, Sir Ma'am, na bago po ito sa last year na ginamit po nating memo at yung ito pong memo po for this year. As shown po sa slide, ang ating po mga kailangang ma-meet ng ating pong mga LGU or entries, yung minimum requirements are the following. Dapat po merong established and organized local disaster risk reduction and management councils. Number 2, the members of non-stakeholders in local Dream CO, particularly po 4 CSOs and 1 private sector. Number 3, meron din po tayong dapat establish local disaster risk reduction management office. And also, meron din po tayong permanent and functional local Dream CO officer compliant to the Joint Memorandum Circular 2014-1. Meron po din po tayong established functional operations center. And lastly, meron pong approved and adopted the local Dream Plan duly reviewed by the reviewing authority, covering the assessment year and consistent with the National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Plan. Dapat lahat po nito ay ma-meet po ng ating pong mga parang papasok po sa entries po para at least they can be, ito po yung pinaka-triggering factors sa next step po natin for a possible recognitions. Okay? And also for our local Dream CO major indicator scoring system, wala naman po nagbago from the previous memo at yung memo po natin ngayon. As shown po sa slide, ang ating po mga specific criteria and number of indicators and their corresponding assigned weight. So mapapasin niyo po, sa daloy po ng ating pong discussion po for the whole day, ito din po yung mga i-discuss po ng ating pong resource person. Hihimayin po nila yung nilalaman po ng ating pong major indicator scoring system primarily on its criteria and its corresponding indicators. Para at least maayos, maganda, malinis po yung pag-intindi po ninyo at pag-deliver din po namin yung ito pong regarding po sa ating pong criteria and their corresponding indicators. As shown po sa slide po, with the total weight average of 100%. Okay, pagdating naman po sa selection committee, no? Okay, for this matter po, dahil nga po ang ating pong target participants will be coming from our regional selection validation committee. So plainly, ang ating pong targets po dito is yung ating pong mga line agencies doon po sa regional level. Okay? Kasi nga po regional awarding po ito, line agencies doon sa specific regional level. At ang ating pong mga line agencies sa regional level, ang inyo pong pinaka-contact po dito, ang ating pong regional offices po ng OCD because we have our dedicated po or designated GKIL focal persons. No? Yan po yung ating pong information about the selection committee. Next po. As shown din po sa ating slide, ito po yung ating pong regional validation for committee for GKIL Seal for local Dream CO categories because ang lahat po ng ating pong evaluate po with a total of 1,724 na mga LGUs po, but ang pinaka-itemized po nito, we have a total of provinces of 82, 149 cities, and 1,493 municipalities. Ang ating pong mga LDREAM CO po dito ay until municipal level lang po tayo. Next slide. Gawad Kalasag Regional Recognition Ceremony. So, sinasabi ko po right now na meron po talaga kayong magaganap po na Regional Gawad Kalasag Ceremony. Okay? So for this year, the Gawad Kalasag program shall include the conduct of recognition ceremony exclusively for the local Dream CO that have been met the prescribed rating and standard for excellence in DRRM. We need to re-emphasize, ladies and gentlemen po, yung lower portion po. A separate memorandum will be issued to provide comprehensive details and guidelines regarding the GK Regional Recognition Ceremony. Hindi pa po ito nakalagay po sa ating pong Memorandum 763. Meron po siyang separate memorandum for the conduct po ng GK Regional Recognition Ceremony. Next slide. Pagdating naman po sa utilization of local Dream CO result, no? Very important po dahil nga po this year, ang nangyayari po, Ma'am Sir, for the information of everyone, nasa process po tayo na pag-enhance and modernization po ng ating pong Gawad Kalasag framework. So whatever na magiging output po for this year, GK po, ito po yung result of the assessment will serve as benchmarking data necessary to drive the ongoing modernization and enhancement of the new Gawad Kalasag framework. So ito lang na po, pakiread po yung mga statement po dito po sa slide na ito. Very important na ito din naman po talaga basically yung pinaka-objective po natin. But still, ang resulta po nitong year for GK ay ito po ay magiging key factor po to drive ongoing modernization and enhancement of the new Gawad Kalasag framework. Next po. Okay, for the timeline of activities, as shown po sa ating pong slide, this is the what you call this, consensus po na timeline of activities that we, the National GK Secretariat, ay na-share po namin ito with our GK regional focal persons. So, very important na malaman yun din po, ito po yung ating pong timeline of activities. Pero kung mapapasin nyo po na andito pa lang po tayo sa ating pong online regional orientation, pero magkakaroon pa rin po ang ating pong regional offices po ng orientation po to their corresponding area of responsibility. Ito po yung timeline, whole month of June, online regional orientation, and then first week of July to second week of August, self-assessment of the local government units. On the third and fourth week of August, regional desk evaluation ng local Dream CO. And for the whole month of September, ito po yung field validation regional level. For the first to second week of October, final deliberation and joint plenary session at the regional level, and ang ating pong recognition ceremony November to December 2026. Meron lang po dyan note po, no? From self-assessment of LGUs down to the recognition ceremony, that is the discretion of our respective regional offices. Yung ito po, yung flexibility ng time po ay talagang manggagaling po yun. Depende po sa schedule na ipoprovide po sa our Regional Validation Selection Committee regarding on the specific date at yung time po for the specific events or activities. So this is the timeline po from June up to December 2026. As part of this schedule, okay, ito lang po, very important lang po ito, ng submission of all local Dream CO self-assessment, result and endorsement of regional awardings. Very important po ito. Deadline for all regions regarding submission of all assessment and validation result to the National GK Secretariat not later than November 30, 2026. Kasi kailangan po yan ma-endorse po dito po sa National GK Secretariat at kami po yung inyo pong malugod na secretaries po o secretariat po rather dito po sa national level. Very important po, not later than po, masubmit po sa amin, not later than November 30, 2026. Okay, I think this is the end part of my presentation po.